Brighton recreation area, Bishop Lake. It's like a couple hundred yards from my side, the lake. So my plan for this weekend is catch a lot of fish, smoke fish. I'll show you how to smoke fish. Today I will do a chicken gizzard. It's potato fries. Should be good, weather nice, warm, almost summer. Let's start it. All set. And rule number 1. Have some drink. Cheers. Very good. Alright, today for dinner, chicken gizzard and chicken hearts. Chicken gizzard and chicken hearts. Looks like it's too small. If it's too small, we're gonna use a bigger one. By the way, this set I bought in Target. I believe it's $20. 3 lids. It's awesome for camping. It's a cast aluminum. Can handle high temperature. Should it fit here? Yeah. No. Alright. We're gonna use a bigger one. Biggest one. Yep, should work. We're going to boil for 30 minutes, and after that I'm going to grill it. Why boil it, not grill it right away? Because we wanna have it juicy, not too dry. So first we're going to boil it. Yep. I made it myself, so it's good to protect from wind. Chicken gizzard and hearts. Yeah, getting closer. Couple more minutes. Okay, actually 15 minutes, well almost, well I think it's a little bit over 15 minutes and it's enough. 15 minutes should be enough. So turn it off. Oh, hot. And put on the side. Because we're not gonna use it again. Next step is we're gonna cut some carrot and onion. Where's my onion? An onion. Okay, we're done with carrots. And we're gonna put carrots in my brand new pot. My pot. Okay, next is onion. Don't cut on pieces too small. You want big pieces. No, first we're gonna cook onion, then carrots. I'm done with onion. Now I'm gonna add some sunflower oil and we're gonna cook. Fire up. Onion, and later we're gonna add the carrots. Okay, while our onion is cooking, I think it's time for rule number 1. This time I'm gonna try Italian wine. Well, actually my neighbors are looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself. They don't see my camera. But anyway, yeah, I'm kinda crazy. Would you say normal guy will do video kinda like this? Of course I'm crazy. What's America? Free country. I wanna be crazy, I can be crazy. Okay guys, cheers. Very nice. Okay, onion it's almost done. Now it's time to put some carrot. Getting closer to the finish. Nice color. Smells good too. You can see it. Of course, I'll have fried potatoes and salad. I didn't show you how I peel clean potatoes. It's a boring procedure. Next step, I'm gonna put all together. Here's my onion. Okay. Next step, I'm going to add my gizzards and chicken hearts. It was pre-cooked 15-20 minutes. Hot. Everything hot. Ow! Pour some flour oil. Mix them together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy. I'm gonna add some onion to my fried potatoes. Onion, it's never enough. Never enough. Okay, it's almost ready. Let's make some room. Ooh. Okay, it's the dinner. Chicken gizzards and chicken hearts, potatoes, salad, and red wine, Tuscany.
Buddy, you wanna go fishing? Alright, give me a little bit.
Alright, so this is my dinner for tonight. And guys, do you remember my motto? Oh, the hell. My motto is life is good when you're on camping and alone. Cheers. Wow. Yeah, really. It's real good. But people think I'm crazy. Talking to myself all the time. Oh well. Who cares? When you're on camping. Today for my lunch I'm gonna break my rules. Instead of classic breakfast which includes bacon and eggs, I will have fresh cut fish, and it's gonna be smoker fish. What we need for this, just a small stove burner and smoker. Alright, to make a smoked fish, I need again smoker, with slided lid. It's all made with stainless steel. And another one lid, spacer, and smoker itself. So what we need just handful or even less of chips. Maybe a little bit more. Just a little bit. You're gonna make it, you're gonna put some butter, and I'm gonna put my fish here. Next step, slide close that lid. Turn burner on. And very small flame. And I should be take no more than 20 minutes. While I'm gonna wait for my fish, smoked fish ready, rule number 1. Some beer. Very nice. Okay, it's past about 20 minutes and let's check it. Let's check my smoked fish. Ooh, hot. Yes, it's done. It's ready. Let's see. Ooh. Yummy. I woke up this morning and my fishing delayed because of rain. Well, I expect rain, but at night, not in the morning. But they always lie to us. So it's still rain. I'm ready to go camping. My kayak hook up to truck. Waiting for when rain stop. Hopefully soon. So should be good fishing. Crappies. Wow. Another crappies. Bluegills. Got a small bass. Crappies. Ooh. Another bass. Okay guys, what a coincidence. I meet here my subscriber. He's walking right there. His name's Scott.
Good morning.
Morning guys, yeah. So Scott, he's came here with his family and he's got his rig. It's Sundance, right?
Yep.
Did I say it right?
Sundance, bunkhouse, got a couple kids.
Alright. So how often you camp here?
We camp here about 4 or 5 times a year. We live pretty close to the campground.
Oh, it's awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I camp every other week, but I travel around Michigan, sometimes go on the higher. So cool. Cool. So I got one subscriber and he's fisherman.
Yes, we were fishing this morning. No, last night. Yesterday morning. We're about to head out here shortly. Just got to make some coffee.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got some fish too, so if Scott's gonna help me,
Yeah, absolutely.
hold one edge with my bag and
I'll get a nice fish.
yeah, take a look. Oh yeah, still alive. It's a nice fish.
Nice black
It's a
crappie right here.
Yeah, it's a black crappie. And I got a bunch of bluegills. Yeah, so it's a good catch. Alright, thanks Scott.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. All right, I hope next couple of weeks you're gonna see that video and you're gonna recognize yourself there.
Excellent.
All right, see you
Everyone,
around.
click subscribe,
Right.
like and review.
Thank you, Scott.
Thank you, Scott.
Bye bye. So Scott brought here his family, his son. What's your name?
Chase.
Chase, and that little blondie who's
Audrey, can you say hi?
hi. All right.
He wants to see the fish.
Oh, you want to see the fish? All right. Let's see the fish. Let's see the fish still alive.
Pull your sleeve and grab that crappie. We caught a crappie 2 nights ago.
Uh huh. Yeah, it's a crappie.
It's dark color.
Yeah, dull color. Yep. But very tasty. Oh, when you fry it, oh, it's awesome.
We'll be eating some this afternoon, right?
Yes, exactly. Yep.
After Danny's football game.
Yeah, so those who get watch, not just YouTube channel, the guy's out, got his kayak right here. We've been watching him all weekend go in and out of here. And he's got a slick setup with that
Yep.
electric motor, whatever that is.
Motorized kayak. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's electric motorized.
No, it's slick.
It's going to be in the video too. So. All right, guys.
All right, we just want to check it out. My daughter and son want to check it out.
All right. See you later, guys. Bye bye. When you're on shore power, make sure you turn off switch for 120 volts before you turn on 12 volts. To switch on will burn your system. So now it's 12 volts.